Have you ever wondered why nature can be both breathtakingly magnificent and mercilessly destructive? A flood sweeping away a peaceful village, a tsunami claiming thousands of lives, or a raging storm flattening everything in its path. These moments not only destroy what we have, but also leave us feeling small and powerless in the face of nature's grandeur. In an instant, everything we once loved can vanish as if it had never existed. Yet, in the midst of such sorrow, a miracle always emerges. Remarkable. Every challenge, every difficulty is a step on the journey to discovering your true strength. Just as the sun always rises after the darkest night, within every person lies a light that never fades, waiting for you to ignite it. Nature teaches us that loss is a part of life. When a forest is burned to the ground, it leaves behind fertile soil for new growth. When a river dries up, it makes way for new opportunities, and we are the same. Do not fear failure or falling. Instead, see these moments as chances to become better, to grow stronger, to cherish what you have more deeply. The devastating moments when nature unleashes its fury remind us that we are but a small part of the vast world. And this realization also brings us together. Each person, each hand, each heart can play a role in rebuilding from the ruins. Together, we rise, step forward, and create something extraordinary. So, no matter how overwhelming life's challenges may be, remember this. You are not just surviving, you are living. Stand up. Keep moving forward, because the future is still waiting for you. In the storm, be the lighthouse. In the darkness, be the light. And in life, be yourself. Resilient, strong, and never giving up. The murky, rushing waters that sweep everything away remind us that negative emotions like anger or resentment are much the same. If left unchecked, they can destroy relationships and opportunities around us. The lesson here is to learn to calm the inner current, manage our emotions, and maintain composure. When the mind is clear and tranquil, we can make wiser decisions and build a more meaningful and harmonious life.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so
A volcanic eruption meets a powerful flow of water. It creates a magnificent spectacle, reminding us that the clash of two strong forces can lead to something extraordinary. In life, instead of avoiding conflicts or challenges, learn to harness them to uncover your hidden potential and create breakthroughs in your personal growth journey. A building that seems sturdy, yet remains small before the power of nature reminds us not to let appearances or temporary success lead to complacency. True resilience comes from building a strong inner foundation, continuously learning and adapting to face any challenges life may bring. The bridge was completely swept away by the floodwaters, much like the things in life we cannot control. The lesson here is, sometimes we must accept loss in order to grow. Letting go of what we can't hold on to opens up new opportunities. Change isn't always easy, but it is an essential part of the journey towards self-improvement.